Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Aquarius. Let's see what's happening for Aquarius in their love life in the month of November. It is a general love reading, so it won't resonate with everyone, so just keep that in mind. If you want to reach out for personal readings, please message me on my WhatsApp number. I have mentioned all my information in the description box. So let's start. Let's see what's happening for Aquarians in the month of November. What's happening for Aquarians in the month of November? Okay, the first card we have is the World card. I think something is coming around. Maybe the person you're expecting, maybe a situation is going to just restart out of nowhere. I think someone is coming back. If you're expecting someone from the past, it is a confirmation that yes, you're going to see someone from the past, like they are coming back. They really want to reconcile with you, they want to unite with you, and universe is intervening. I think universe is intervening in the process. Maybe you are in a long distance relationship with someone. They are planning to meet you, come down to meet you, okay, physically. Yeah, so reconciliation is major. The moon, so this is Pisces energy. So I think from a very long time there was no clarity in the situation. Everything was just blurry and uncertain. You didn't know what's going to happen next. I think you really don't know what's going to happen. You want to know. You want to have that clarity. You want to know what this person is going to do, what this person is going to do next. This is Six of Wands. So this is Aries, Leo, Sag energy. I think something better is coming, and I think you know this intuitively, like you know something is better is coming on the way, on the horizon. You are waiting for something better. You are hoping for the best. You want victory with this person. Maybe this person is also quite hopeful about the situation. Now, what is this moon about? Please clarify the moon energy. For Aquarians, please clarify the moon energy. Okay, the star. So, from a very long time where it was uncertain, everything was just uncertain, you could not see beyond something, it was for your good. If you were in a separation, you were not talking with this person, something better is coming now. Don't worry. I think this is your energy. This is an Aquarian energy. This is a confirmation that whatever was unknown, what was for your bestest, like it was for your good. Okay, so don't worry if you don't know, if some parts of your relationship were unclear. You were just trying to understand what it is, why things are not clear, why I'm not able to get to this person, why they are not coming back, what is all this about. So all this confusion is coming to an end. Be hopeful, do not lose hope. What more do we have for Aquarians? King of Pentacles. So this is Earth energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. With this King of Pentacles, I think you are now in hold of your situation. You are under control. You have control of your situation now. You know whatever is happening is bringing you positivity, is bringing you clarity, is bringing you stability. Okay, you are in the stable place. You are in your comfort zone. And maybe you are not expressing much. Maybe you don't want to express much. You don't feel so. You want to keep your all things inside of yourself. You don't want to budge. You don't want to chase anyone right now. Okay, you are okay on your own. Okay, that is what's coming up here. What more do we have for Aquarians? See, a lot of transformation. Scorpion energy. A lot of transformation. So there are going to be major shifts in your relationship, in your current situation. Everything is just going to change for the better. Okay, after this darkness there is going to be lightness, there is going to be light, there is going to be hope. So you don't have to worry. Okay, let's see what is this King of Pentacles about. See, Lovers, Gemini energy. I think you, like inside of you, somewhere deep inside, you know you both belong to each other. There is a sense of You feel as if you own this person. No matter what the situation is right now, you know they belong to you and you're going to get them back. You don't want to lose this person. There is an immense love and warmth you feel with this person. You find it nowhere. What is this death about? The Emperor. This is an Aries energy. This is all about a new start too. Okay, so I think whatever has happened, whatever transformation were going on, whatever shifts were going on in your situation, that were for your best interest. Okay, they made you strong. They brought you in this Emperor energy. Okay, but don't be so closed off. I'm sensing you are being very closed off right now. You feel as if I don't need to budge, I don't need to involve emotionally in the situation. But don't do that. It's not going to do anything good. When you're dealing with a love situation, the self-respect, the ego, it needs to be handled with care. If it is too much, too heavy, then you're just going to break the other person's heart with your behavior. Okay, so I think whatever transformation came in your situation, in your love situation, made you more stronger, made you more confident. You feel responsible, you feel quite strong. Okay, a lot of strength has been invoked inside of you because of the situation that happened. What more do we have for Aquarians? The next card we have is the Six of Swords. So this is moving forward. Okay, someone is either coming back to you or you are moving forward with your life. Okay, it's not like that you don't love this person anymore. You do. You love this person, but you are also moving forward. You are not keeping your energies stagnant. You don't want to, and it is a good sign of movement. Okay, what is the Six of Swords about? Yeah, Ace of Wands. Moving forward with a sense of, some of you are going to move forward with this person, with this past person who is coming back. You're going to reconcile with this person, and you both are moving forward. Yeah, so this is something really beautiful. What more do we have? What are the current energies of your person? They want to communicate. This is Eight of Wands. Swift movement, swift changes. They want to communicate with you. They want to connect with you. You will receive unexpected communication from this person. If you are expecting communication, yes, it is going to come. Yeah. So they want to communicate. They want to bring forward what they really feel. They want to express how they feel. What is this Eight of Wands about, please? Yeah. They want to communicate that they want to come back to you. They want to tell you how badly they want to reconcile with you. You are going to receive communication from this person. Okay, what more do we have in their current feelings? What do we have in their current feelings? Okay, Five of Pentacles. I think this person feels left out in the cold. Many of you are ignoring this person. Many of you are not indulging in the situation, and this makes this person feel left out. They feel left out in the cold. Okay, what is this Five of Pentacles? Why is this Five of Pentacles here? Yeah, they are guarding themselves, just not to feel offended, just not to feel abandoned. Okay, everyone needs to guard themselves, right? So does this person. They want you, they love you, but it doesn't mean that they don't respect themselves. So they want you to fight for this connection. Maybe they feel you leaving the situation. Maybe they feel you are not on the same page emotionally, like right now. What is the current energy? Yeah, I told you, closed off. This person is closed off. They don't want to lose you. This is also something that is coming off very strongly in this reading. They don't want to lose you. They respect you, they love you, they adore you. There are insecurities when it comes to you. They don't want to lose you. They don't want to see you with anyone else. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Okay, very much insecure of losing you. They don't want to lose you at any cost. Why is this Four of Pentacles here? Why is this Four of Pentacles here? See, I told you from the very beginning, this person has a strange confidence that they are never going to lose you. They are going to have success with you, and that is what's coming up again. The feeling that they won't lose you. They have no chance of losing you. They don't want to lose you. They want victory with you. They want to take this relationship further with you. Okay, so this is something really beautiful. Let's see what comes up for your overall life. What's happening in your overall life? What advice do we need? Be hopeful. This is your energy. So everything is just falling into place. May it be your career, your finances, your health. Be hopeful. Everything is just sorting itself out. Help them. Help the energies to help you. Okay. Don't go against anything. Keep moving forward with optimism. Maybe you're going to overburden yourself with responsibilities at job or career. Okay, take time for yourself. If you need rest, please do so. You're going to exhaust yourself in the month of November. Don't do it. And Ace of Cups, maybe also you're going to get multiple responsibilities in the month of November. You will feel burdened. Okay, and connections that were lost are going to be regained. Okay, you need to be more open emotionally. I think you are not. See, Nine of Swords coming up. You are very much crumbled inside your head about, like, negative thoughts are just taking over. You might also deal with sleepless nights because you're overworking too, and because of the whole love situation you're going through. Don't do it. Don't stress yourself. Everything is just falling into place. And be very aware of where you're investing your emotions. Okay. So that is what's coming up. Let's see what advice do we have from the oracle. What advice do we have for Aquarians for the month of November? What advice do we have for Aquarians for the month of November? Delight. So happiness is coming your way. You just need to change your perception. Look at the better things. Don't overburden yourself. Don't stress yourself. Okay, the next we have is miracles. So if you thought that everything is set in stone, nothing is going to happen, nothing good is going to happen, no, it's not. Miracles do happen, and you have to remember that. Okay, you have to believe in miracles. Miraculously everything is just going to be okay. I just need this is an advice for you to just hope. Okay, just hope for the best. What more do we have? Potential. So I told you there is a potential of things changing, shifting. Your relationship, your love life, anything that you're working on is just going to be fine. You don't need to burden yourself. You don't need to cry on things. Okay, just be patient, just be hopeful, and everything is just sorting itself out. Let's see what do we have from the handwritten advices for my Aquarians. What's coming up for Aquarians? I want 5 messages. It can be anything. Yeah. So the first one we have is the loyal. So maybe the person is coming back with a lot of dedication, with a lot of honesty. So you need to believe this person. They are loyal this time. Okay. Promotion. I told you, you're going to get promoted. You're going to get a lot of responsibilities this month. Someone has secretly, someone has a crush on you, or maybe you might indulge into this new connections. What more do we have for Aquarians? The next we have is friends. Your friends are going to be of utmost importance in your love life or in the other areas of your life. Job change. Maybe you're going to change job. Okay, so that is why you are going to face a lot of responsibilities. So yeah, that is coming up for Aquarians. If you like the reading, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.